Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are looking at BREA stock today, which over the past 5 days is up by over 128%. But have a look at what we are seeing, right? The majority of that gain is coming in before the 18th of September. And you look from that period onwards and we are seeing the stock actually down by 55%, with Friday being a day where we're down by a further 33%, begging the question as to where do we go with this one next? Well, whilst nobody can say for sure, and whilst I am certainly not a financial advisor, over the course of this video, I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions on what could be coming next. If it sounds like a good episode, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, it does help me out a lot. And again, let's jump straight in. So I want to come over here and highlight some key levels that stand out to me. Now obviously this stock is not big, so you would kind of expect to see a little bit of a dip. What are we going to be looking for into the next couple of trading days? Well, I think it's absolutely critical that we stay above this range at 1510. 1510 has been a previous level of support, and also the same is true here, 1510, 1515. You need to see this hold up again. This is absolutely critical. I would not be too nervous about a push down to these levels given the circumstances and everything that we have seen, but again, I think that is a possibility, but I don't think it's necessarily a bad thing. I think if we do begin to dip lower than that, things become very concerning. Now, of course, with the trend, you will expect the stock in the past day or so is actually in the oversold range on the 5-day chart, or was becoming close to it on the 1-day, I should say. However, when you come out to the 5-day chart, again, things look a lot more stable, things look a lot more neutral. And again, this in context just shows us why holding on to this range at 1510, 1515 is going to be particularly important. Now, of course, breaking out to the past month, we are definitely still coming towards the overbought range, but given this drop that we've seen, we've had a lot more time to cool off, and we are dropping slightly more towards neutral. So again, if we did see this drop down to this range, I think you would see us drop into the neutral territory, or maybe even the slightly oversold territory on the RSI in the next couple of days. Now for me, if I was looking to get into this one, or if I was holding this and looking to ask what comes next, my tolerances would be extremely tight. As I say, 1510, 1515 to me would be the lowest level that I'd be willing to hold on to. You could make an argument for 490, 492 if that is a level that you feel comfortable at, but again, I see this stock as being a relatively high risk one. So my bottom is relatively clear, right? That is at around $15, 1510, 1515. Some may hold on to 1490, but for me that would be the absolute lowest. In terms of upside, I think there is a possibility of a retest and push to $19. I think if you do see that, if you see a break above this 1930, 1950, ultimately onto $20, you could be looking at this one running again. Next levels could be 2370. From there you're looking to retest up to 25, and then on from there you could be looking at touching 30 and beyond. Very interesting play with a lot of potential here. I think time's going to tell a lot for this one, but I do see that potential still being there. It very much depends if we can hold on to this bottom, and again, if we do, if we're able to hold on to it, if we do drop down to that point again, it's good, because it's given us some time to consolidate, it's given us some more validity in this level, and also on top of that, it has shown us, that this stock does still have strength. Again, RSI, other indicators having some time to cool off. You could also be looking at a support level at potentially 1650, but I do think that is more unlikely than likely. So, that's the key levels that I'm looking for. You guys may agree with it, you may disagree. I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions on this in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. Again, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you again soon. Goodbye for now. You guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day? I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks, but do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from 1450 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, on these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.